Let me share this recipe with you, but make sure you have soup before trying this recipe. So I have peeled my plantains and then my yuca, which is cassava, and then cut into two to make it easier to blend. I've added 1 cup of water. Blend this so it becomes smooth as baby food as you're seeing in this video. Then I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes. When the 3 minutes is over, I give it a stir to mix well. At this time, if you don't bring it out and mix well, it's going to be hard. So after mixing, then you put it back in the microwave for another 3 minutes. Then you keep on stirring till we get our fufu. Another 3 minutes in the microwave, then you bring it back and then you give it a stir. At this point, you can see that the fufu is getting ready. Thank you all for the support, and this is one of the easiest way that I make my fufu. Yeah, sometimes I do the box with the plantain, and if I don't have it, I go this way. Yeah, if you're in Ghana and you're lucky to pan your fufu in the mortar. So if you don't like this recipe, you can try the old method. Then another 3 minutes and then we are back. So I just added a little water because it was hard for me. The case you are going to enjoy. So if you want it hard, like I always say, don't add much water. And the last time I shared a video, a fufu video like this, it was soft. I was making it for a case. The comment was hard. Thank you for the support. Yeah. And you say a penny, say a baby, I am bill. And woman will do ni what? Yeah, then they become say so sometimes there's some recipe when I share it for case, I will let you know. But if I don't do voiceover to, I write somewhere so that you understand what I'm doing. So the fufu is done. Just let it cool down. Then you mold this to any shape that you want. I hope you like this method and come back for more. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe and stay blessed till I come your way with another recipe. Love you all.
Home sweet food. Sharing our recipe.